In today's review, I'll be talking about CheckSmart, a platform designed to help individuals build or improve their credit score. If you're looking to increase your credit score or just manage your financial health, CheckSmart might be a tool you come across. I'll walk you through the entire website and its key features to give you a clear picture of what it offers and whether it's effective in helping with credit building. First, let's explore the homepage. It's straightforward, with easy navigation to sign up or learn more about the service. Right off the bat, CheckSmart presents itself as a quick and simple way to improve your credit, focusing on offering accessible credit building solutions. One of the standout features is the option to get a secured credit card, which is a common and effective way to improve your credit score if used responsibly. You'll see a lot of information about how this process works and the requirements you need to meet to get started. It's all clearly laid out, which is a big plus for users who may not be familiar with credit building strategies. Once you sign up, CheckSmart gives you a clear dashboard with all the relevant information you need. You can easily track your progress, make payments, and monitor how your credit score improves over time. The website also provides educational resources to help you better understand how credit works and the best practices for maintaining a healthy score. There's a section for FAQs, which answers common questions about building credit, making the process even more transparent. Another thing I want to mention is CheckSmart's customer service. While I didn't need to reach out too often, when I did, the team was responsive and helpful. This gave me a sense of security, knowing I could rely on support if needed. The website also has a community of users, which is great for sharing experiences and tips. However, one downside I noticed is the lack of some advanced features found in other credit building platforms. If you're looking for something more comprehensive, with extra services like credit monitoring or detailed credit reports, CheckSmart might not offer everything you're looking for. It's more of a straightforward tool for those who just need the basics of credit building. Overall, CheckSmart does a solid job in helping individuals get started with building or improving their credit score. Its simplicity and easy-to-use interface make it a great choice for beginners, while the educational resources help users stay on track. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive suite of financial tools, you might want to explore other options. If you're interested in CheckSmart and think it might be the right fit for your credit building goals, I recommend giving it a try. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on personal finance.